Good afternoon, students. How are you, all of you? Fine. Very good. You have to remain fine only. Good. Study is going on properly? Okay. So today, one more poem we are going to read. The name of this poem is Trees. Before entering in the poem, let's start few questions regarding the trees. The moment we listen the term trees, the first word comes in our mind, that is, they are the best friends of human beings. Why? Because there is no limitation what we get from them. We are getting each and everything from them. But sometimes in return, we are not giving all these things what they expect from all of us. So today, to create that awareness, we are going to read this poem, Trees. So before starting the poem, you can ask your friends also that which type of trees they know the names. And it's a rainy season. I think it is the best time for tree plantation, because if we plant more number of trees, I think we can save our environment also in that better manner. So always we should think. In fact, we should raise our words. We should make a campaign so that entire community, entire country can think for this tree plantation. Now, trees, what are the things they give? That only we are going to read through this poem. First question is that trees are for birds, because if you look at the trees, you will see the nest of the birds, or you will see the other birds are also there. They are making some different types of sounds. They are playing, they are enjoying there. Even their babies are also there. Trees are for children also, because you can see, especially in the village area, children are also swinging there. They are also enjoying there. People are climbing also on the trees. In fact, we can find the trees are there for making the tree houses. We make lots of tree houses there, here and there. Nowadays it's a fashion also, tree houses. Especially in the forest area, tree houses are also there. People stay there. Trees are there for making some swings. We swing on the trees. We enjoy on the trees there. And if the trees are there, wind also will blow. And if wind blows, we will get a cool breeze from there. So I think that is the one of the most best benefit we get from the trees. Clear? So we should understand that what importance the trees are in our life, what role they play in our life. We should understand in that way. And the most important point for the children is, in fact, for you also, the trees are there for playing some games. Can you recall the name of the game? That is called hide and seek. Yes, big size of trees are there, banyan trees and other trees. We enjoy their childhood time. We play their hide and seek games. Even sometimes we organize some parties also, tea parties and other parties also we organize under the trees. Yeah? And children, they love to fly the kites. And those kites also sometimes strike where? Strike on the trees only. And if the kites strike on the trees, after that we get very less chance to get it back. Clear? And when the summer season starts, I think we should not discuss once again what a great role trees play in our life. Because when we sit under that tree, when we get the cool shade, as if we believe like that, that is the best abode in our life. We love to sleep there, we love to enjoy there, we love to take rest there. So we get some cool breeze also, cool shade also. And when trees are there in the winter, you need some sunlight. Again, some trees are there who have no leaves. So there also again you can sit. Again, winter also you can enjoy sitting under the tree. And trees, fruits and flowers, no need to mention, because huge number of fruits and flowers we get. And nowadays doctors are also saying we should take lots of fruits. Clear? So different types of fruits we get. Though in the poem only two fruits names have been mentioned, there is the apples and pears, but actually these are the symbolic. In fact, we get different types of fruits from the trees. But those trees, for our requirement, for the timber, what we do? We chop down the trees, we cut down the trees. And when we cut down, we forget that that tree, which role it plays in our life, how much we are benefited from them. So, you can recall when you were a child at that time what your mother was saying. In fact, I think when you were in the mother's lap, your mother was talking. You look at the trees. What a beautiful nature. What a beauty is there. And that beauty is developed when the trees are there. Without the trees, that natural beauty is almost impossible. And mother sometimes tells to you that it's a lovely picture, you go for painting. And sometimes our fathers also say lots of leaves are falling down, wrecking down from there. So when mothers and fathers are speaking in this way, I think somewhere we should follow those words, and we should think that trees means it's a beauty of nature, and at the same time whatever the benefits we get from the trees, so we should understand, we should keep in mind, and keeping all these things in view, our attitude towards the trees should be according to that only, because if trees are not there, remember, we will also not be there. So our existence is fully dependent on the trees. So save trees and save your life.